I spent over 2,000 hours building and running an international business. So, by international, I mean sourcing for foreign clients who are open to outsourcing work and fulfilling the actual work for these clients remotely. But something has been bothering me in the last few days. Why not also build something locally that can be able to serve local clients, that can be able to serve the local public? So, here's my idea. So I want to build $1 million business that is in the media space. By media space, I mean delivering informative news and reliable news to the public, not via the normal channels that you are used to, but via email newsletter. This is where you receive a daily email with a 5-minute read of informative news that are sourced well and are curated in a nice manner that is actually informative and is very easy to read. So I'll be documenting the entire process for building the business, sourcing workspace, sourcing employees down the road, and also looking for advertising partners who will be able to run ads within our newsletter. So this is the step-by-step process that I'm going to document here. So you might want to follow so that you can follow the journey and see if you're going to succeed. So if you're not able to succeed, then probably my kid will build this down the road later on.